Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my second video in data structure and algorithms. In previous video we talk about introduction in data structure. Today we have to discuss array stack in data structure. So if you are interested with this series, so keep watching us, like, comment and share. Let's go to the video. Okay, array stack. Array stack is a hybrid data structure that combines stack and queue. First we talk about stack. Stack working on LIFO method. It means last in first out. For example, imagine a pile of plates like this. We should take the first plate which is on the top like this. Okay, let's see talk about queue. Queue works on FIFO method. It means first in, first out. For example, think a line at a back, like this. In this method, the person who came first is the one who gets served first. It means he can go firstly. Okay, let's see talk about operations in stack queue. First one is push. Push means add item in the front. Next we have pop function. It means remove the first one. Lastly, we have enqueue operation. It means we can add item into back. Okay. Next we discuss about how code works. Okay. Let's move to the code. So mainly we have our class name. And we have created the array name private int data. So we fixed size to 10, and we have created the private int size 0. First we use the push method in here. So mainly we have parameters using value. After we check our condition is true or false, condition is size equal data dot length. After we get system out dot println stack is full. So if stack is full, we can get return is here. After we use the use like this for loop. In this for loop we created the I int I is equal to size, and we have to I greater than 0 after I minus minus, after data I equal to data I minus 1, like this. So data 0 index is equal to value. After we increase size by 1, this is our push method. So after that we use the pop method for remove the front. Here we have to condition. It means size equal 0. Is this condition is true, we have to print stack is empty, like this. After it will return -1 because empty stack is in empty stack value is -1, like this. So in this here we have to use value equal to data 0 index. After we use again for loop to shift left side to fill the gap. We used previous like int I equal 1, I greater than size, and I plus plus like this. After data I minus 1 equal data I in this in here, so we have to size minus minus, and after we return the value. Next, at the end we have to use the enqueue method. Previously I told them. Then this have another for loop, sorry, if loop. So in this if loop we consider it size equal dot data length. Is this correct? We have to message stack is full like this after we return it, and data size will be increased in this method, and it equal to value. After we have to print operation, print function. In this print function we used to system.out.println stack like this. After we used again for loop int I equal to 0, int I greater than size, I plus plus like this. In this method we system.out.println data I like this. After we get space, after all this we have to main method. It like public static void main string args like this, and we have to array stack. It means our main class name. After we created object to add our items. So firstly we added 10 push method, using push method. After we add lastly to end lastly, and we add to the front 5 like this. After we print method. So now our array like this 5, 10, 20 like this. After we println pop, it means remove value, it like 5, and after we print our array like this. So in this code we run and take our output. So okay, let's okay, this is our output. It means stack is 5, 10, 20 like previously, and we have popped 5, it is here, and now our stack is 10 and 20. Okay, here for today. Stay tuned with us, like, comment and share. Thank you.